Did you know that if you invent something while at university, your school might own it and not you? And I think this is the case that's why you look at Silicon Valley and see a lot of startup founders drop out of college. So let's talk about it. In Kenya, the Industrial Property Act 2001, Section 31, states that ownership depends on who funded your work and what resources you used. So let's break it down. And there are two scenarios here. One, if you used university funding or resources. That means if your research was funded by the university or used their labs, grants, or faculty, that is means you have faculty support. The university owns the patents or utility models that you develop. Universities invent in research, so they have legal rights to claim ownership. And of course, the second scenario is if you developed it independently, which is something you may need to prove. Hi. If you created your invention without university funding, that is using your own resources, your own equipment, then you own it. However, it's also important for you to check the rules of the universities. Some universities have strict IP policies that claim part ownership, even if you worked on it independently. So, eventually, the question is, can students earn royalties from university owned inventions? And according to the Kenyan law, again, Industrial Properties Act, Section 31, some universities allow students to share in profits if the invention is commercialized. You might not own the patent, but you could still earn some royalties if the university profits from it. And I guess also this applies for faculty. If you are part of faculty, then that means any invention you come up with, the application that before this we made a video about employees and how that works with IP. So check it out. So you're in university, and before you start working on something big or something that could potentially be big, check your university's IP policy. Do they claim full ownership or do they let students share in profit? If universities fund research, should they always own student inventions or should students get like the full rights? Tell me what you think.